Introduction. Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be discussing one of the most exciting and rapidly advancing fields of technology, artificial intelligence, or AI. What is AI? Simply put, AI refers to machines or computer programs that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, and decision making. These machines use complex algorithms and mathematical models to analyze and interpret data and learn from their experiences. Applications of AI. AI has many practical applications, from chatbots that provide customer service to self-driving cars that can navigate roads autonomously. In the healthcare sector, AI is being used to analyze patient data and assist doctors in making diagnoses. AI is also being used to improve manufacturing processes, optimize supply chains, and even detect fraudulent activity in financial transactions. Types of AI. There are two main types of AI: narrow or weak AI and general or strong AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform specific tasks and is the most common type of AI in use today. Examples include voice recognition software, image recognition algorithms, and recommendation systems. General AI, on the other hand, is a hypothetical form of AI that can perform any intellectual task that a human can. While we have yet to develop a true general AI, researchers are working to create machines that can learn and reason in the same way as humans. Benefits of AI. One of the most significant benefits of AI is its ability to process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately. This makes it an incredibly useful tool for businesses and organizations that need to make data-driven decisions. AI can also help us solve some of the most pressing challenges facing our world today, from climate change to healthcare. For example, AI is being used to develop more efficient energy grids, predict natural disasters, and improve disease diagnosis and treatment. Challenges of AI. However, AI also poses some significant challenges. One concern is that AI could take over jobs traditionally performed by humans, leading to unemployment and economic instability. Additionally, there are concerns about bias in AI systems, as they can only learn from the data they are given. If that data is biased or incomplete, the AI system will also be biased or incomplete. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI is a fascinating and rapidly advancing field with many practical applications. While there are challenges to be addressed, the benefits of AI are too significant to ignore. As we continue to develop and refine AI technology, we must ensure that it is used ethically and responsibly to benefit humanity. Thank you for watching.